Welcome back, True Drive Reviews, and thank you for joining us today. If you love luxury motorhomes and future-ready travel, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Motorhome, a perfect blend of premium design, advanced technology, and ultimate comfort on wheels. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Motorhome represents the next generation of high-end touring. Built on a refined Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome delivers exceptional stability, smooth handling, and long-distance confidence. Under the hood, a powerful and efficient turbo diesel engine is paired with an advanced automatic transmission, ensuring effortless cruising on highways and precise control in urban and mountain routes alike. From the outside, the design is elegant yet commanding. The aerodynamic body features clean lines, chrome accents, LED matrix headlights, and a bold Mercedes-Benz front grille. Premium paint finishes enhance its presence, while large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light. Every detail is engineered for both beauty and performance, reducing wind noise and improving fuel efficiency. Step inside, and you enter a true luxury living space. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, including soft-touch leather upholstery, brushed aluminum trims, and warm ambient LED lighting throughout. The spacious lounge area offers plush seating with adjustable positions, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A fully digital cockpit with a large infotainment display provides navigation, vehicle monitoring, and smart connectivity at your fingertips. The kitchen area is designed for gourmet travel, featuring a modern induction cooktop, integrated microwave oven, premium refrigerator, ample storage cabinets, and a solid surface countertop. Every inch is optimized for functionality without compromising style. The dining area comfortably seats multiple guests, making it ideal for family trips or luxury road adventures. Moving to the sleeping quarters, the master bedroom offers a hotel-like experience with a large king-size bed, premium mattress, soft ambient lighting, and generous wardrobe space. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a walk-in rain shower, modern vanity, luxury fixtures, and efficient water management systems. Technology plays a major role in this motorhome. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and intelligent braking systems. Smart climate control, solar-assisted power systems, and energy-efficient appliances ensure comfort and sustainability wherever you travel. In short, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury residence designed for those who demand excellence, comfort, and innovation on the road. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this luxury motorhome tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything, and we'll see you in the next video.